Alright, what else we got in here? Ah, my favorite. More taillights. Keep buying more junk taillights. Okay, this is a Harley taillight. Right here in the back, it's hard to read. It says guide on the back of it. So that means it's a Harley light. It says guide made in USA. It has a little notch somebody put up in here for some reason. That's not stock. Looks like the threads are good. It's chrome plated, which I don't really like. The holes all look good here. It's not broken here. It's got a nice glass lens in there. It's got a retainer that looks like a modern one in there, but probably because it's dirty. It has the rubber in there for the wire, which is hard to get. I buy these just to get the rubber piece, and that thing is hard. That ain't coming out of that thing. That thing's crystallized in there. And the other thing is, this is an early light because it has the wide spaced hole right up in here. And it also has writing in here. There it is. Right across here. Got some numbers in there. So it says guide. And over here on the side it says HD. So this is your first light. So this is 47, the first year of this light. So this is a 47 to early 48 light. Somewhere in late 48, for sure by 49, they changed to the rivet on license plate bracket was up here. This is a screw on one. And the holes are moved a little bit closer inward, and they didn't have this guide written here anymore. So this is an early light. So if you're storing a 47 knuckle or 48 painted, this is the light you want, not the later one. Someone chrome plated it, which I don't really like, but the last couple of these I got have been chrome. So the last one I bought, it was broken right here in the corner, so I bought this one because it wasn't broken. All my other parts will fit onto this, and I got a good light. Took two lights to make one good one. As long as you don't mind that up there like that. You put a little bit of JB Weld right in there, fill it in, and put some silver paint right there, it'll be fine. You don't really notice it because there's a license plate goes up here anyway, so it's hard to tell. But this looks pretty good, not bad. So go back in the previous videos, you'll see some another light I bought that's chrome plate was broken up this corner, and needed more parts. So got more parts. So you get more lights. There you go.